In this video, we are going to discuss what I call everydays and how those everydays can lead to a lifetime of fulfillment and success. Right, so what are the everydays? Every day. I love everydays. Everydays, to me, are what I call those habits that you do every single day that you have to do because, one, you love to do it, you want to do it, you're interested in it, and two, it builds skills that might help you out financially, career-wise, or personal fulfillment. So what are those everydays that you have to include in your life, or you want to include in your life, that really improves your life, it really improves your living situation, your personal relationships, your health, whatever it is. So for me personally, about 10 years ago, somewhere around there, about 10 years ago, I remember writing down things that meant a lot to me that I must include every day. Try to do them every day. If I don't do them every day, it's not the end of the world, but it's really important to me to strive to include these things or do these things every day. So you got to think of it. Life is made up of time. How do we use our time? Well, ideally, if you want to live a life on your own terms, try to do the things that you want to do during your waking hours. It's very simple. And I remember about 10 years ago, I wrote a list down. I came up with 20 things at first, but I whittled it down to about 5 to 10 that I try to do every day. Things such as take a walk, get some kind of physical activity every single day for at least 30 minutes. At first it was an hour, but that wasn't too achievable every single day. Remember, every days is what they're called. So I try to at least go get a walk in for 30 minutes a day, jump rope, take a hike, do whatever, as long as it's physical. Just something active, physically active for my health. Play music. I love playing the guitar and singing. So I play the guitar every single day because I love it, because it helps me relax. It's a lot of fun. It kicks in these endorphins, much like exercise and physical activity does. It makes me feel good, bottom line. So I want to feel good every day, so I try to find things to do that makes me feel good every day. It's another thing. Writing is very important to me, so I'll try to write a little bit every day. Whether that's journaling for you, or if you have a blog or a website or something, it's very important to me to be able to write every single day. Be creative. Do something creative every day. Whether that's cooking, whether that's, coming up with a new song or a new article or new video. I have to do that every day because that means a lot to me. That brings me a lot of fulfillment. I try to talk to my loved ones every day, or at least one or two of my loved ones every day, keep in constant contact with the people that mean a lot to me. So those are some of my everydays, and being out in nature for sure. I love being out in nature. I have to be around nature, whether it's sunshine or opening up the window, listening to the rain, or taking a walk in a light rain. I just love nature. Love hearing the birds, watching the birds and the squirrels, you name it. Watching the puffy clouds. I love it. So those are everydays. So I would encourage you to really invest in yourself. Take some time to write down 10, 20 things that mean a lot to you that you should include every day of your life because they mean a lot to you. It could be reading, it could be working out, it could be cooking a dish every day, it could be looking for recipes every day, or being out in your garden. Just something that means a lot to you, that brings yourself a lot of joy, and it can improve your life, a skill that can improve your life. I know some people like to program computers and mess around with websites. Well, that's certainly going to pay off. If you're a graphic designer, designing things, just practice learning how to use Photoshop or whatever software you might use. Practice that every day. And those little everydays are going to build up to a very, very well-developed skill over time. It's just like finance. You might have heard this saying, If you take care of your pennies, the dollars are going to take care of themselves. Same kind of thing. If you do something every day, you're going to get very good at it over time. It's just how it works. And it's very enjoyable because you're doing enjoyable things for the most part. Hopefully these everydays mean a lot to you, and it's something that you're very interested in, that you enjoy the process of doing, and that's very important. So do me a favor, take some time and invest in yourself. Get you a nice quiet spot, write down about 10, 20 things that you would like to do every day that means a lot to you, that you think will bring you a lot of value, a lot of self-fulfillment, and will improve yourself over time. You'll be amazed how those everydays add up and how much better your life is going to be. Some people even say sleep. Let's every day at night, make sure I get enough sleep. Make that a priority. That's a wonderful one to include, getting enough sleep. So make that a priority. All right, so I would love to hear what your everydays are. What are some things that you try to do every single day that bring a lot of joy and fulfillment to you? I'd love to hear them. Put them in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can get all the latest money making, money saving tips, and how to live a life, a simple life, on your own terms. Take care.